now let's take a look at our EURJPY for the week, starting with our daily time frame, by the way. So we can see our EURJPY has actually been giving us the bullish move, right? And now of recent, we started seeing this fall. So I will be highlighting a key level area where our price has actually gotten to and actually bounced. We can see the level here, this key level here, our price came and fell. We can see the key level here where our price came and pushes up. We can see that same level again around this place, though our price did not hit it, but we can see when our price came here, it pushed up, and we can see our price has actually come here again, and we are expecting a bullish move anytime soon on our EURJPY. The reason is that this week we will be having a fall on our JPY. So once we start having that fall on our JPY, then we will be seeing that bullish move on our euro. Now let's see it on our JPY index, by the way. We can see that our JPY index has actually given us this highs, right? We saw the pullback, we saw another highs, especially if this is to be an uptrend. We will be seeing a pullback anytime soon, right, on our JPY index. And another reason why we'll be seeing a fall or a pullback, as you want to call it, is that this place is also a key level. We saw our price came here, tapped this our resistance level and fell. It came and tapped this our resistance level and fell. Very soon we will be seeing a fall again on this our resistance level, right, on our JPY index. So once we are getting this fall on our JPY index, we will be seeing that bullish on our EURJPY. You can see for days now, for some times when our euro has actually been falling, our JPY index has actually been rising, right? So once our JPY index starts falling, we will be seeing a bullish move on our EURJPY. Now let's see it on our 4-hour time frame, by the way. On our 4-hour time frame, we are still on a bearish move, by the way. So if we are to take this trade, I would say probably when we start having multiple breakout structure upward on both our 1-hour time frame and 4-hour time frame. Probably on our 1-hour time frame, where we see probably like 3 or 4 breakout structure upward like this, a higher highs, higher lows, another higher highs, another higher lows, probably another. We can take the next higher highs and upward on our EURJPY. That is if we get it on our 1-hour time frame or 4-hour time frame, then it is actually a good time to actually take our buy. It means our euro to our JPY is now actually going bullish for the week.